In this video, let me show you how to fix TikTok cannot add photo to video. So if you're trying to add in an overlay within the TikTok platform, and if you're having issues, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now in this situation, you'll need to make sure that the full media access within the TikTok application is granted. So what you simply need to do is just tap and hold the app of TikTok, head over to this eye icon, basically head over to the permission settings of your TikTok. So once you're inside of the settings page, head over to app permissions and make sure that the storage option is selected and is selected to allow. If this was not previously selected to allow, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. Now once you're inside of the same settings page, what you can also do is head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option or the clear data option. If you tap on the clear all data, you will also get logged out, so you need to log in back and try to see if now the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, the other thing that you'll also need to ensure is that the photo that you're trying to upload is in a correct file format, which is either a JPEG or a PNG. If it is in a different file format, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. So once you complete these few steps and try to ensure all of these, the issue of TikTok cannot add photo to video should be now fixed. I do hope this video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.